Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you hidden tricks to clean up gigabytes of old Microsoft Defender antivirus files that are just sitting on your PC wasting space. Most people, even tech channels, don't talk about this. But if you have been using Windows for a while, these files build up quietly over the years. If you are running low on SSD space or just want your system cleaner, this is a must-do fix. Let's get into it. So what are these files and why they fill up? So let's understand what we are dealing with. Microsoft Defender downloads definitions updates almost daily to keep your PC protected from malware. These are small files individuals, but over time they accumulated into gigabytes of data. The problem is Windows doesn't automatically clear the older, outdated definitions. Unlike your recycle bin or temporary files, these Defender files stay hidden in your system folders, slowly eating up your storage space. You won't see this in disk cleanup. You won't see this in storage sense. It's a set and forget area unless you are manually clean it. Where are these files stored? Here's where it gets sneaky. The old Defender definitions files are stored in this path: c/program data/Microsoft /Windows Defender /definitions update. A few important things. Program data is a hidden folder. You will need to enable show hidden files in File Explorer. Inside definitions updates, you will see the folder files random names. These are old versions of antivirus definitions. It's safe to delete the content. Windows will re-download the latest definitions when needed. Think of it like cleaning old cache files, but this time for your antivirus. Alright, here's how to clean it up properly. So first of all, you have to go to the File Explorer. Then you can click on View, then Show, and make sure you have to click this hidden items, so you can show all the hidden items. So now click on Windows C, then you have to go to the program data, then click on Microsoft, then find Windows Defender, then the definitions updates, and you will find long strings of numbers and letters. Just right click on it and delete that folder. Don't forget to empty your recycle bin to actually reclaim the disk space. And that's it. You just clean out possible hundreds of megabytes or even gigabytes of chunk files. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical PC optimization tips. For more hidden Windows problems you want me to cover, drop a comment below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against